In this video I'd like to show you how to store resources on Schoolbox. When you log into Schoolbox, of course, you go to a page something like this, and to store things, store documents, you go to My Files. Okay, and you get to that page. Before you start adding files, it's a good idea to have some folders. So here we've got top, which means top level. So we probably want some top level folders. And a good idea would be to have one folder for each of your subjects. So under top here, we're going to add folder, and we'll start adding folders for each of our subjects. Add folder. Now, if you add another folder now, what you'll end up doing is putting another folder in drama, which you can do, of course. You can have folders within folders. But it's best now to click back to top. So going back to top, add another folder. So English. Add folder. Go back to top. Add another folder, HPE, add folder, and so on. And you can see now that we're starting to get a folder for each of our subjects. As I said, you can get a folder within a folder. So if there's different topics in drama, you can actually have a folder within that. But we'll leave that for another time, and you can, I'm sure you can sort that one out. So if we want to add a file now in a folder, we click on the folder, say English, and then it's time to post a file. Okay, so then we can post a file. Now to do that, one thing we can do is just drag a file into that spot. Okay, so we can just drag a file into there. Take a while to load up. It's working its way across. Takes a little while to load this one. I probably should have chosen a smaller file, but anyway, it's nearly done. Okay, you'll see a blue line going across there. It's now loaded in, and now we go add file. Actually, before we do that, we can give it a description. So assignment, whatever you want to call it, and then add file. Okay, and that file has now gone in our English folder. So if we click back onto English, you can see that that file is there. So it's a good way of storing resources, electronic resources for all your subjects. So that's how you use My Files on Schoolbox.